Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in billet. It looks fantastic. I love the silver. Looks very nice. You do have some chrome accenting on the front as well with the Dodge badging there. And you do have halogen quad headlights right there. Very bright. Looks awesome. You do have 17-inch rims here as well with Komu brand tires. Still lots of tread left on those tires, and the rims look very nice as well. And you do have your heated exterior mirrors in the black. And coming all the way to the back here now, we do have our SXT badging as well as the Dodge and the Grand Caravan. And we can open it up just right here. Down at the bottom there are our parking sensors as well, help you park a little bit better. You do have lots of room back here. It is indented, so you can put stuff back here if you did want. As well, there is some additional storage right there for if you want to use that. And they are stow and go seats, so all you gotta do is follow the instructions. So this is number 1. Number 2 is right here. 3 is this guy. And 4 is this guy right here. You can pull it down and fold it flat like that. Then you got tons of room up there as well. Then you can haul even more stuff. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we got our panic button up there as well. But let's unlock and take a look on the inside here. So on the door, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Bit of chrome accenting here. And you do have the 2nd row and 3rd row window. They can roll down there. It's very nice. Got kind of a swirly accenting here. Leather for the armrest, very comfortable. Handle here, some storage here, and some more down here with a water bottle holder. Very spacious interior here, very comfortable as well. I love these seats. They're very soft. You do also have the controls over your lights here, so your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams all right there, as well as your in-cabin light control right here. And this guy is the control over our high beams, our turning signals, and our windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. So, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we've been, 129, that's nothing. You also have the trip A and the trip B, as well as your distance till empty, your kilometers, your liters per 100 kilometers, the temperature outside, and back there. Now, that is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your call out button and your voice recognition for your Bluetooth. Horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side as well. Around the back of the steering wheel right here, we have a volume up and down button for the radio, and then you also have on the other side a channel changer. And then right here is our gear shift, just like that. Looks very nice. Now you do have your radio over here, so we have our AM and FM, as well as Sirius XM, all right here. And then you also, sorry, just trying to focus here. You also have your seek options up here. You have your call out and your voice recognition for the Bluetooth. You have the info and the rewind and fast forward, as well as the eject button for your CD player and your time there. Volume up and down, and then you also have your disc and aux there. Then you also have your list, your music type, and your setup, plus your audio and your browser there. And the presets down here, and your aux cord plug-in right there. Now in the climate control, we do have where it's going to blow out of here. We have a dual climate system for you and your passenger, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You also have your power right here and the circulation. Then over here we have our front and rear defrost. And then we also have our econ mode. We have our hazard lights and our traction control. Then we have some storage right there. Some more right in here with our cup holder. And even more just down there. Then we also have our cup holders right there. And over here we do have a top glove box and a locking bottom glove box as well with our owner's manual in it, so tons of room. Then we also have this guy, which is our sunglass holder with a little mirror. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Lots of room back here as well, very spacious. It does seat 7 people all together. The seats are very comfortable. They are the same material as the front ones, and they are also stow and go. So all you gotta do is pull this one up, just like this. Then you just gotta pull this right over here, like that. It folds forward and down into the floor just like that. You can fold that back over top. Now you got tons more room. You can do that with the other side and the back, and you got tons and tons. You do also have your cup holders back here, and the back seats are very comfortable as well. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.